You are watching a master at work.
Huh? I get money, man. I be chillin' though. Where you at? This shit in the bed, nigga. Yeah. Yeah, we here. Nothing. Yeah. Alright, bet.
Since back in the day when I used to sell pounds of haze just to get my waistline.
You feel me? KP, real nigga, man. Shout out to my hood niggas, man. 1020 squad. C4LB that move, y'all already know. Real hood nigga. Know of you nigga that. I'm just gonna come at y'all crazy. Y'all already know. Never been a bitch, I let them shots go. 9mm clip stuff like a taco. Pop dough, seen plenty money when the rocks go. Shotgun fucking up tires like potholes. Rock dough, used to pump the street, I was living it. Gripping it, didn't give a fuck about imprisonment. Digging it, kit stay fresher than your best night. Tech tight money, and a down ass bride, that be the best life. Used to walk in enemies' hoods, cause they was asking about me. Long clips up at my waist, yeah I was packing, probably got some little niggas though. All they do is pop shit, never threw a fist before, but they know how to rock shit. I done lived a crazy life, sold the fiends every day. Moms couldn't pay the house note, and that was section 8. Seen fiends pat needles, shot up with their own people. Never been solved, but I was stressed that I sold evil. Look into my eyes, nigga, I done sold all kind of weight. Smell like dope, couldn't take a shower at my mama place. Gotta keep the toolie there, money bring all kind of hate. Kill a nigga any day if he try to take my plate. Making ski masks out of Scully's from the beauty store. Shots fired, now you see him struggle like a city poor. Rip his core, fuck it, I'ma get a whole clip to board. Have him slipping like Ezel in the liquor store. Cruising in my phone with the strap on my lap though. Clap folk, forensics find shells in his back low. Seen niggas laid out, dumb bitches played out. Keep the toolie stash in the cut like a safe house. Have my goons popping at your door. We don't stake out, trying to cop a black Porsche, really bring the bank out. KP been that nigga since back in the day when I used to sell pounds of haze just to get my waistline.